What do the guests think about your Burger King restaurant? The guests begin forming their opinion of your Burger King restaurant the minute they see the Burger King logo on your exterior signage. It continues to form as they pull onto your parking lot, looking at your landscape, sidewalks, and entrance areas. Maintaining a clean and safe restaurant begins with having the proper cleaning tools, along with the right chemicals and procedures to do the job. The Burger King commitment to having the cleanest and safest restaurants in the QSR industry can be achieved by learning how to use the SYR Total Integrated Cleaning System the right way. The SYR line of cleaning tools provides you with the right tools for the cleaning task. You'll find that the tools are easy to use and produce great results. Each day, review your assigned cleaning tasks from the cleaning calendar posted at the command station in your restaurant. Before you begin, always remember to use the right colors for the right zones. Check out the reference zone chart near the mop sink area. Your restaurant is divided into 4 color zones: red, kitchen; blue, dining room; yellow, restrooms; green, exterior. By using only specified colored tools in designated zones, this will prevent heavy grease and dirt being tracked around your restaurant. Having the tools organized is the foundation for having a clean restaurant. Your restaurant should have a minimum of 2 tool racks, one for the wet tools, red mop, blue mop, deck brush, and squeegee. The second rack is for tools we want to keep dry: red, blue, green angle brooms and dustpan. If your restaurant uses corn brooms, you definitely want to keep the corn brooms dry and stored away from the water at the mop sink as shown here. The 2 SYR mop buckets are used in the 4 zones. The red mop bucket shown here is used for the kitchen and the exterior. The red-green ringer specifies which zone to use the mop bucket in. It is critical that the soil-trapping white grid is placed correctly in the bottom of the bucket. Ensure the large holes are facing up and the hinge clicks into place. As you mop, the dirt is trapped under the grid at the bottom of the bucket, not in the mop water. Fill the bucket using the green enzymatic floor cleaner from the dispensing system to the fill level line inside the bucket. It is critical that you do not use hot water with your new floor cleaner. Only turn on the cold water faucet for the dispensing system. Hot water kills the enzymes in the chemical. Make sure not to rinse the floor cleaner, so the enzymes will continue to work to clean your floors. Remember, the guest's first impression begins with the exterior signage and parking lot. Therefore, each morning at opening, the parking lot must be cleaned. Depending on your task assignment, you may need to organize an assortment of cleaning tools as shown here. First, remove litter and any small debris from the lot using a broom and dustpan. Then, clean door entrances and menu board area at drive-thru first. Each day, use outside cleaner to clean a section of the parking lot and sidewalks. Use a labeled pump-up sprayer to apply undiluted outside cleaner on heavy oil stains or grease buildup. Allow cleaner to soak a minimum of 3 hours before rinsing and ensure that it will not rain during those 3 hours. If maintained on a regular basis, sidewalks can be cleaned with diluted outside cleaner using the mop bucket. Notice the red bucket ringer has a red-green panel to specify that this bucket is used for kitchen, the red zone, and the exterior, the green zone. Place caution sign in area to be cleaned. Apply solution with black deck brush and scrub sidewalk. Rinse sidewalk. It is recommended to squeegee sidewalks for a quick dry. Make sure to completely rinse out mop bucket after using with outside cleaner. Minimally, all floors must be mopped 3 times per day: after breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner at closing. Prepare the surface for mopping using the SYR angle broom or corn broom and dustpan. Use blue brooms in the dining room. The Syr dustpan has a comb on the top of the pan so you can remove debris from the broom's edge. Place the caution sign in a place visible to guests and team members. The four-sided 48-inch cone provides a 360-degree visual so it's easily seen and not tripped over. Dip clean mop into the cold enzymatic floor cleaner solution and wring excess water from the mop. Mop an 8 by 8 foot section of the floor at a time in a figure-8 motion. 1, 2, 3 flip, 4, 5, 6 dip. It is critical to dip the mop often to remove soil particles. Do not rinse the solution from the floor. The enzymes will continue to work away at the dirt throughout the day. If you need to remove stubborn marks, use the Syr pad built in underneath the mop head. Swirl the mop head, scrub, and you're good to go. Throughout the day, the restrooms need constant attention. Dirty restrooms can cause the guests to think dirty kitchen and decide, I'm not eating here. Restrooms should be checked every 30 minutes. The Clean and Safe platform has designed restroom cleaning tools that are easy to carry in one yellow caddy. Use the label on the side of the caddy as a checklist to ensure you have all the tools and cleaning supplies you need prior to going into the restroom. For your protection, put the required black disposable gloves on prior to picking up the caddy. Only yellow tools and the yellow wipe cloth can be used when cleaning restrooms. Minimally, restrooms should also be mopped 3 times per day. As you see, the blue mop bucket ringer is blue-yellow to specify that this bucket is used in the dining room, blue zone, and the restroom, yellow zone. The blue mop is used in the restroom zone. Always change mop water after cleaning restroom floors. The kitchen zone will need to be swept more often than 3 times per day to maintain proper cleanliness. Use either the red angle broom or red stitch corn broom. Remember to use the cold water spigot when filling the bucket with the green enzymatic floor cleaner. Minimally, the kitchen floor is mopped 3 times a day, after breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner. At closing, the zones require one extra step, and that is scrubbing with the universal black deck brush. In the kitchen, the floors are deck scrubbed nightly. In the dining room, the floor is scrubbed weekly, but it is much easier to do a section nightly than the entire floor at once. After sweeping, liberally apply cold enzymatic floor cleaner solution onto the quarry tile by slop mopping lots of the solution onto the floor. Allow floor cleaner to soak for 5 minutes. Scrub the floor tile using the black deck brush. Work the deck brush with the grout lines horizontally and then vertically. The deck brush side bristles are designed to clean the baseboards as you scrub the floor tile. Squeegee the soapy residue into a floor drain or mop puddles of solution using the same soapy mop. To avoid feet track marks on the floor, always pull the squeegee, never push. Do not rinse the floor and never hot hose the floor. Allow to air dry overnight. Once finished, empty floor cleaner solution into mop sink and clean tools and mop bucket. Hang tools by their handles on tool racks. Leave station clean and organized for the next shift. The Clean and Safe platform, Syr, and K-Chemical want to ensure your satisfaction with these cleaning tools and chemicals. If you have questions or concerns, please call the customer service numbers on the screen for assistance. Thanks for your time. You are on your way to a cleaner and safer restaurant.